Hey y'all, Real Deal at Akins and Wild Willies Custom Accessories. A great customer from North Carolina brought us his beautiful 2021 F150 Platinum Smoke Quartz Metallic. I'm excited about this one. Covert action, let's go. So first off, I've been dying to get this color in some Covert action, that Smoke Quartz Metallic. It's a beautiful color, y'all. Let's talk about that first and foremost. I don't know what to compare it to. It's got a little bit of a bluish, grayish, charcoal hint to it. Lots of metallic flake, as you can see. Just a beautiful color. Really is kind of like the antimatter blue in that it changes, you know, colors based on the lighting. I mean, over here you see it looks more dark and it's more lighter shade here, all about the way the sunlight's hitting it. So a very popular color and one that I want to get more of, and this is a beauty here, y'all. This Covert is just a phenomenal build in my opinion, much like Ryan and all the others we've done so far in the Platinum series. So again, all that flake looking so good. I'd say it's in the gray family just as much as it is in the blue family. So let me know what your thoughts are on this color first and foremost. On our Covert paint package, we started off with the apparent emblem up front, and that's that Smoke Quartz. See right here, y'all, like I'm looking at it from different angles and you see different tone. It's got the grays and the blues, all about the sunlight and the angle, which is a great thing to have in a paint. Kind of gives you a versatile truck, like a 2-in-1. You got two different trucks based on the condition. So our Covert package, y'all, looks great. Leveled on 34s, got the 2-inch Roush Fox 2.0 coilover suspension leveling kit system. Phenomenal option, probably the best ride quality option right now on the F150. Man, it just improves the ride quality so much, and it gives you ability to do what's necessary, a little bit more proportional with entire stance and combo. So we got fuel blitz, all black, gloss black 20x9 plus 20 offset on 295 60/20. Then our ridge grabber, it's a 34-inch tall tire or 33.9, and mild to wild scale being that plus 20 like we like to do on the Platinum, it pushes it in ever so slightly more than that 0 or 1 offset. So you're sticking out about 1 inch, 1.25 inches, y'all. And I think it looks very proportional in the stance too. As far as the width, it's not sticking out so much like a 0. So on a Platinum truck, we do a little bit more mild, even though it's just plus 20 millimeters. We like to do something a little bit more mild, ever so slightly, to kind of fit the theme of a high-end luxury truck right here at Akins. So the fuel blitz wheel also is a popular one because it has an off-roadish, luxurious street, all the one. It has a vibe to it that I really do like. It meets the needs of kind of several different niches and styles you're going for on your vehicle build. So like this with a lot. Also, we did not do the door handles. We wanted to contrast and have some of the chrome accenting throughout, but we did do a gloss black wrap on the lower power running board, as well as your window seal plate all the way across there. That's typically chrome, wrapped that in gloss black. Also did these mirror caps are usually chrome. We did body color on that. That looks so good. It's too much chrome leaving the mirror, y'all, so you got to do something with those mirrors if nothing else, and you can accent and leave the brushed aluminum and the chrome throughout, and it works very nicely. So like what we kind of worked out with here. Side badge as well, this was chrome, so we did body color, Smoke Quartz on this part, left the 150 Platinum alone, and a good side shot, one of my favorite shots right here, a true leveled on 34 action with the Fox Roush 2.0 coilover. We got Fox shocks in the rear, the 2.0s, as well as rear wheel well liner. Looking great. Love the functionality of your side step. You can just one touch there, and it folds down for easy access to the bedside. I love that. And then just that button there, touch again, goes right back up. Great feature. Now out back, y'all know I love these tailgates. Oh my gosh. Now JC, we sure do appreciate you as a customer, and thanks for coming down from North Carolina to allow us and trusting us for doing this phenomenal build for you. This tailgate, Man, this tailgate, y'all, it looks so good. Exactly how I would have done it. Unreal. Did the brushed aluminum went bye-bye. We left the platinum the way it sits, actually cleared over it, so it has a nice clean look to it. Did over the 150 there in the smoke quartz, and then the emblem to match the front, the blue to smoke quartz, looking so amazing. That dresses this truck up so well. A nice balance. You don't have to remove all the chrome. You can leave and do tie in all three colors via, when I'm talking about the colors, the chrome, the body color, and black. You can make it all work ever so nicely, which we've done here. We got to put on a exhaust tip and a few more options to tie this thing up for our customer to come get it, but I had the video, y'all. I knew it was going to get gone beforehand, so had to get this one done. This is a beauty. I know this is going to be a great reference for you all as far as how to do your next Covert, hopefully with us right here at Akins, but if not, just want to give you the resource to show you the different variations and creations that we got going on here, so you can make sure you get yours just right, y'all. Power boost engine, if you're unsure about that, I'm very high on it. It's all there as far as the power. It is a hybrid motor, so you got to get that old school mentality out of there, because it's a great power plant and just does very so well. Now on the inside, we've got the nice platinum subtleties that it brings, B&O audio throughout, even in the headrest, but the big 12-inch screen. You've seen me talk about the interior so much. Real wood. I love the little suede inserts there. Just looks so nice. With the smoke quartz, I got to know what your thoughts are on this color. I just think it looks so well, and love the way this package turned out, y'all. If you have any suggestions or colors you'd like to see us do next, please let us know. We've got several things up our sleeve we're wanting to work on here coming up very soon, but just love the input from you guys that stay tuned to our channel and help support us. We sure do appreciate that so much, y'all. And thanks so much. I love this. We've done so many different colors, and this one's so unique in itself. It may be one of my favorites because you just don't see it quite often. So let me know what you think about this color, guys, and what we did on Covert for this one. I'm Real Deal at Akins. Thanks so much.